Hi guys! Kyla here and welcome back to my channel. So guys, nabalitaan niyo ba na may bagong release na naman ang Realme? So for this phone guys, ang masasabi ko lang is napaka-unique itong klaseng phone na to. At ito ay isang flagship phone pa guys. So napakaganda ang kanyang quality at napakaganda ng phone na to. So, what are we waiting for? Tara na't pag-usapan natin ang Realme 11 Pro 5G. Char.
Now let us start with the unboxing. Inside the box, we have here the quick start guide and a safety guide, a SIM ejector tool, and a free jelly case. Moving on, we also have the 67-watt SuperVOOC charger and a USB Type-C cable. Lastly, the phone itself.
So guys, huwag na tayo magpatagal pa at pag-usapan na natin kaagad ang kanyang design. Kasi super ganda ang kanyang design at napaka-unique talaga. So para sa kanyang design guys, meron siyang premium vegan leather design. Yes, you heard me right. Siya ay isang leather design. So actually guys, first time ko palang makakita ng phone na leather ang kanyang design. At ang color na mayroon ako dito is Oasis Green at meron din akong Astral Black which is ipapakita ko mamaya. So pag-usapan muna natin itong Realme 11 Pro 5G in the color Oasis Green. So as you can see on the back, it is made out of leather nga guys. So itong Realme 11 Pro 5G, it comes in 3 different colors which is the Oasis Green, Sunrise Beige, and Astral Black. So gaya na sinabi ko guys, papakita ko rin sa inyo ang Astral Black kasi 2 colors ang meron sa akin dito. So here guys, we also have the Astral Black. So for the Astral Black guys, magkaiba siya sa Oasis Green at sa Sunrise Beige kasi yung likod niya is matte. Hindi siya made out of leather but it is in a matte design. Pero para naman sa ating Oasis Green at para sa ating Sunrise Beige, leather ang kanilang likod. And did you know guys, this design was made in collaboration with Matteo Menotto, which is a former Gucci designer. So hello there Gucci fans! So sunod naman ang pag-usapan natin is yung kanyang body build. So for the Sunrise Beige and Oasis Green, we have a length of 161.6mm and a width of 73.9mm. At meron din siyang depth na 8.7mm at weight na 191 grams. So para naman sa Astral Black guys, magkaiba ang kanyang bigat at ang kanyang depth sa Oasis Green and Sunrise Beige. So for the Astral Black, we have a length of 161.6mm and a width of 73.9mm which is the same with the Oasis Green and Sunrise Beige. So dito naman siya nagkakaiba sa kanyang depth at weight. So for the depth, we have a 8.2mm and for the weight, we have a 185 grams. So for the back guys, kung makikita natin, aside from the leather design, makikita natin dito na parang meron siyang isang napakalaking camera pero actually, dalawang camera lang yan guys. At meron din tayo ditong flashlight. So for the right side guys, we have the power button and the volume buttons.
Now let's talk about the top and bottom parts. In the top, we have here a speaker and a microphone. In the bottom, we have the SIM tray, microphone, Type-C port, and another set of speakers.
So syempre for a more better music experience, we have here the dual speakers. So syempre kapag meron kang dual speakers, syempre asahan mo na mas malakas ang kanyang audio. Napapamangha ako ngayon sa Realme 11 Pro 5G because again, aside from the leather design, meron na naman siyang upgrade na dual speakers. So again, first time ko lang ulit makakita ng phone na meron siyang dual speakers. So dito makikita natin na ito ay dual SIM. So meron siyang SIM dito, SIM 1. At kapag i-flip over mo siya, makikita natin dito ang SIM 2. At ngayon, let's talk about the display of the Realme 11 Pro 5G.
Realme 11 Pro 5G has a 120Hz curved vision display that gives you a more premium feel. It also has a 2.33mm ultra narrow chin for a more full screen viewing experience. Ang Realme 11 Pro 5G ay mayroong 6.7-inch screen size and it has a 2412 by 1080p Full HD Plus resolution.
So itong Realme 11 Pro 5G guys, meron siyang double reinforced glass. So meron siyang doubling glass na may kapal na 0.65mm.
Ngayon ay tignan naman natin ang display settings. Ang Realme 11 Pro 5G ay mayroong dark theme at pwede mo rin dito ma-adjust, of course, ang screen brightness. At kapag pinindot naman natin ang screen color mode, dito madami tayo makikitang pwedeng pagpipilian na screen color modes. Unang-una ay ang vivid mode, which gives you a more richer color display. Natural mode for a softer color display. And lastly, the Pro modes, na kung saan nakapaloob naman dito ang cinematic and brilliant modes. Pwede rin natin dito maiba ang screen color temperature. At hindi lamang yan, dahil madami pang ibang feature ang meron dito sa Realme 11 Pro 5G. Katulad na lamang ng eye comfort feature, video color boost, bright HDR video mode, at marami pang iba.
At ngayon guys ay pag-usapan natin ang performance ng Realme 11 Pro 5G. So for the processor guys, we have a MediaTek Dimensity 7050 processor at meron din siyang ROM na 256GB at meron din siyang RAM na 8GB, which you can also extend to another 8GB. So for more smoother experience, we have a total of 16GB RAM.
It has a 120Hz refresh rate, but you can also change its refresh rate to 60Hz to conserve more battery. However, if you're looking for a more smoother animations and operations, I recommend that you set it to 120Hz refresh rate.
So dito guys, sa kanyang performance, you can also run up to 26 apps without feeling too much lag.
At para naman sa gaming, napaka-good siya kahit anong game pa ang nilalaro mo.
Now let's talk about the battery of the Realme 11 Pro 5G. So for more time playing and less time charging, Realme 11 Pro 5G has a 5000 mAh battery with a 67 watts Super VOOC charge. So ang kagandahan nito guys ng 67 watts Super VOOC charge is you can charge up to 50% in less than 18 minutes. So imagine guys, in just 18 minutes, you have up to 50% of battery in your cell phone. And finally guys, ito talagang pinakagusto ko sa mga phone, ang kanilang mga camera. And now let's talk about the camera of the Realme 11 Pro 5G. So para sa camera guys, pag-usapan natin ang isa sa key features ng Realme 11 Pro 5G, which is the 100MP OIS camera. So kung hindi nyo alam guys, ang OIS, it stands for Optical Image Stabilization. So you don't have to worry when you take videos because etong OIS, it helps with stabilizing your videos. So kapag nag-take ka ng videos tapos medyo shaky ang iyong kamay, you don't have to worry because ang Realme 11 Pro 5G meron na siyang OIS which helps for stabilizing your videos. At syempre, isa sa mga struggles natin kapag naka-zoom in na yan, syempre ang ating kamay shaky yan. Tapos mahihirapan tayo kasi nga shaky, diba? So hindi stable ang ating pag-take ng pictures or videos. You don't have to worry guys. Realme 11 Pro 5G got you covered because of the stabilization OIS stabilization camera. So it is always stable and always steady. So again, sa kanyang back camera, meron tayong 100 megapixels wide camera and a 2 megapixels depth camera. And for selfie photos guys, we have a 16 megapixels camera.
Now let's take a look on the camera. We have here the flash, timer, an AI scene enhancement, and here we can immediately change the size of our picture to 1:1, 4:3, 16:9, and to a full screen image. You can also disable and enable the Auto HDR. Ngayon, let's dive deeper into the settings. You can also enable and disable the watermark sa kung papaano mo ito gusto. You can also enable the grid and guides. Meron tayong dito iba't ibang grid options. We have the grid lines, diagonal lines, and a golden spiral option. And as you explore further, you'll find more features that will fit your photography and videography needs. Another interesting feature of Realme 11 Pro 5G is its Google Lens. Here you'll quickly find informations and similar images to the picture you've taken. It also has filters and a retouch feature. You can also zoom up to 20 times. For videos, we have a 720p resolution, 1080p resolution, and a 4K resolution, in which you can adjust its frame rate from 30 FPS up to 60 FPS.
At para naman sa kanyang front camera guys, kapag mag-take tayo ng mga videos, meron siyang 1080p resolution with a 30 frames per second.
At katulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, ito ay may stabilization. And as we explore more, you'll also find more interesting features. And for a better look and idea on its camera, I have prepared here a couple of pictures and a video.
So that is all for our unboxing and phone review of the Realme 11 Pro 5G. But wait guys, hindi dyan nagtatapos ang ating video for today. Because for today's video, we have a free giveaway for 3 lucky winners. So para sa lahat ng aking subscribers, followers, and supporters, mamimigay ako ng 3 power banks na mayroong 10,000 mAh battery. So the mechanics are very simple. You just have to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification button. And also, magkakaroon din ako ng aking sariling Facebook page, guys. All you have to do is just like that page and follow that page. And then, kapag nagawa nyo na yun lahat, guys, is mag-send lang kayo ng screenshot through my Gmail, or you can also send me your screenshot on my Facebook account. So, disclaimer lang guys, ang mananalo lang sa ating free giveaway is yung mga nakatira lamang sa Puerto Princesa City at pati na rin sa Brooks Point, Palawan. And I would like to thank Realme for supporting my videos and for giving me a power bank to give away to you guys. Thank you, Realme! So again, you just have to like, subscribe, click that notification button, and also follow my new page, which is Kyla Setias. And I will also provide a link in the description below para hindi naman kayo mahirapan ma-follow yung aking page. Para sa page guys, you just have to like and follow my page. So ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Join our free giveaway kasi malay mo, ikaw pa ang pwedeng manalo ng Realme Powerbank na mayroong 10,000 mAh battery. So again, that is all for today's video guys, and don't forget to join our free giveaway, and don't forget to buy the Realme 11 Pro 5G right now. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.